So for the pins for the encoder and power cables, there's two parts of the crimp. The first one here is the part that crimps the wires. You only need to strip the wire back a small amount, 1/8 of an inch or so. And then this taller crimp is for the insulation. So what I like to do is first put the pin in the crimp tool. It's very important to get it square, but also there's a notch right here that will go fit into the part of the shield, and then just close the tool, making sure that the insulation crimp is square. If it's uneven, it can crimp one side first. So just barely start the crimp, and you can push the wire down in until it hits that same shield, and continue to crimp all the way. And what you should end up with is the insulation crimps good with the first one, and then the second one just grabbing the insulation.